Hello everyone, it's Just Cube here, and today we are going to unbox a 6x6. So, it says some Chinese on the packaging, and yeah, it's a 6x6. So we are going to open it, take a look. Oh, there's tape on the sides. Let me go get some scissors. I'm back with the scissors. We cut with the scissors. There we go. And then, oh, yes. Yes. We actually get a thing that teaches us how to actually solve the 6x6. Besides in Chinese, oh, it's in Chinese. Okay. Oh, wow. Woo-wee. That is one big cube. Can we use it as like a big 3x? You can use it as a big 3x3, just like with the 6x6. I mean, with the 4x4, you can use it as a 2x2. Like that, wow. That is... I can imagine how difficult this would be to solve. Like, whew. Okay, well, that's it. That's the unboxing of the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. And I will see you on the next video. See you later. Goodbye.